In this video, I will show you how to delete a board on Pinterest. So let's start. First, open the app. Go down here and click on your profile picture. And we can see board here, okay? So if you hold it, if you tap on it and hold it, choose edit, and all the way down, you can delete your board. So click on delete, again delete, and this is how can you do it. It's pretty easy. I'm gonna show you one more time. I got some empty board here. So when you open your application, click on your profile picture. You would like to delete this board because it's empty. You don't need to use it anymore. So tap on it, hold it, and choose this edit option, this pen. Okay, and all the way down, you will see this action, delete. Click on it, click on delete again, and that's it. This is how can you delete your board on Pinterest application. Guys, thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button. If you want to support this channel, please subscribe, and see you in the next one. Goodbye.